Okay, so how to remove and install your bezel or cover on your Dell Chromebook. I'm going to use this pry tool. I have a link for it in the description down below. So let's go ahead and insert it here. And as you see, with this kind of side-to-side movement, I'm gently loosening that screen cover or bezel, depending on what you call it. Now, one of my recommendations is be very, very careful not to push down on the screen as you do this. You could accidentally break it. You also don't want the pry tool to go so far in that you touch the screen with it and crack it. So, like you can see, I'm just slowly working my way around the edge. As you can see, I don't have any power running into it. And then once I get to the bottom, I like to just gently pull it off like so. And then usually this part, you have to open it a little bit more and it pulls out like so. Now let's go over how to reinstall it. Okay, so now we're going to take the bezel and we're going to set it on like so. We're going to neatly push it down in there. So, usually takes a little bit of finesse. And then once we get it seated in there properly, we're going to push gently along the sides, clipping it back in. So you can see, being careful once again not to push down on the screen itself because we don't want to accidentally, crack it because it's actually pretty fragile. So go like so, keep pushing, push, 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 and just like that. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. And if you found this video in any way helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more great content.